91 Mercury Groundwater Key, considering I didn't get it started last time. And we're taking the snow oil because we gotta jump and put gas in it. It snowed a lot since my last video. A couple of inches. And it's still snowing right now. And we have arrived. Alright, we're gonna have to jump this bad boy. Pretty snowed up. Good thing I have plastic over my broken window. Doorknob's frozen. Crap. I almost put my foot through the window. You know what? There. Oh, that's protection in here. Whoa. Oh. I have to jump it there. Alright. Hope I'm not out of gas. I really don't want to have to go and get the gas. I'm scared. That huge battery there just died a little bit ago. Stop him. Almost. Yeah, I'm gonna watch under the hood. Yeah, it's out of gas, and I just killed that thing. It was already almost dead, though. But at least I got started. It started pretty good. I mean, for being out of gas. Almost out of gas, that is. Well, it looks like that's the end of my video. Thank you, all you YouTubers. More videos from Asho56 coming soon.